Sheikh,
Yes,
another shahada.
mashallah, we have a shahada. Subhanallah Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah. Okay, sister, you're ready? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illallah
Allah
Allah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulu
Rasulullah
Allah.
Allah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is none
there is none
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
besides Allah.
besides Allah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that Muhammad,
that Muhammad,
may peace be on him,
may peace be on him,
is his messenger
is his messenger
and prophet.
and prophet.
Takbir! MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah bless you, my sister, grant you goodness, and may Allah make the path ahead easy for you.